Good morning, everybody. Hope you're doing well. um, so, what do we got to talk about now with functions? Arithmetic operations with functions. We can add, subtract, multiply, or divide different functions. Suppose f of x is equal to 2x plus 3 and g of x is 5x minus 7. We're going to see how we can find f of x plus g of x or f plus g of x. No, there are two ways to write this, like this and like this. They're both the same, and you will see them both ways. Um, Neither one is more correct than the other, but both ways are written in mathematics. So let's just take a look at this. It's a pretty simple concept. We're just going to be able to add or subtract and multiply these functions. We're going to leave division for another day. It's a little bit more difficult. So let's look at the first one. F of x is 2x plus 3. G of x is 5x minus 7. So what do we need to do? And I like blue. So f of x plus g of x is equal to, instead of f of x, we write 2x plus 3. Instead of g of x, we write 5x minus 7. So we're going to add like terms. That's all we're doing. 2x plus 5x is 7x. 3 plus negative 7 is negative 4. So our final answer is just this, 7x minus 4. F of x plus g of x is equal to 7x minus 4. Let me get rid of some of that. So yeah, 2x plus 3x and 3 plus negative 7. That's like 3 minus 7. That's why we get 7x minus 4. Really is a pretty simple concept. So what about subtraction? Really the same thing, except you have to be just a little careful with subtraction. So here we have 2x minus 5x, right? That's the first part we're going to do. We're going to look at the like terms. So what is 2 minus 5? That's negative 3. And what about 3 minus negative 7, right? Notice we have two negative signs here. Negative, negative 7, two negatives make a positive. So this is really 3 plus 7. That's why we get 10. So f of x minus g of x is 3x plus 10. Now, we're going to try multiplying. That's just slightly harder, but not that much. So f of x times g of x, or f times g of x, either way you can write it. We're going to replace f of x and g of x with 2x plus 3 and 5x minus 7. Now, right here, we're going to use FOIL, right? If you remember what FOIL was, FOIL, first, outer, inner, last. So our first expressions are 2x times 5x. 2 times 5 is 10. X times x is x squared. That's our first, right, in the FOIL. Outer, let me take a different color. Outer, that's these two, right? Outer, the farthest reaches. 2x times negative 7 is negative 14. Inner, I don't have a lot of room here, but let's see. Inner, that's our I, right? Inner, 3 times 5 is 15x. And last, I don't know, but that looks like a nice color. And our last would be these. That's the L in FOIL. 3 times negative 7 is negative 21. Then the next thing we have to do is combine the two like terms in the middle. Negative 14 plus 15 is just positive 1. So our final answer is 10x squared plus x minus 21. Now, I could go over a bunch of examples here, but what I'm really going to have you do is do these on Delta Math. This video will be there as well. So you're going to go to Delta Math. You're going to watch this video, except those who are in class. You're not required to watch the video, and do the assignment there. Notice we've not tried division yet. We'll try those tomorrow. They're a little tougher. We need to factor sometimes. I haven't even decided yet whether we're going to do division all that much, but we'll take a look at it. All right, guys, that was a really quick lesson for today. Go to Delta Math and do that assignment, and I will talk to you tomorrow.